If your iPad is frozen, stuck in a boot loop, or you just need to restore it completely, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to put your iPad into recovery mode, step by step, for every single iPad model out there. This process is super useful when your iPad won't turn on, it's stuck on the Apple logo, you forgot your passcode, or you just want a clean restore. So let's get right into it. Before we start, here's what you need. Your iPad, any model works, I will cover all of them here. A computer, either a Mac or a Windows PC, and the right cable. Use the cable that came with your iPad. You also need the latest software. On Mac, macOS Catalina or later, you will use Finder, and on Macs that are older or Windows PC, you will use iTunes. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Step 1 is the same for everyone. Plug your iPad into your computer using your cable. Open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. You might see a prompt asking you to trust the computer. If your iPad is responsive, go ahead and tap on Trust. If it's completely unresponsive, don't worry, just move on to the next step. Now, if you have a newer iPad that does not have a home button, like an iPad Pro, iPad Mini, iPad Air, or just the iPad, the process is simple. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Now press and hold the top button, the power button on the top edge. Keep holding it even when you see the Apple logo on the screen. Don't let go until you see the recovery mode screen, which has the cable and computer icon. If you have an older iPad with a home button, connect your iPad to your computer using a USB cable. Press and hold the home button and the power buttons together. Keep holding the buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. That's it, your iPad is now in recovery mode. Head to your computer and Finder or iTunes will take it from there. Once your iPad is detected in recovery mode, you will see a pop-up with two options. Update. This tries to reinstall iOS without erasing your data. Try this first. You will also see the restore option. This completely erases the iPad and installs a fresh copy of iOS. Use this if update doesn't work or if you want a clean slate. Note, this will erase everything on your iPad, so be careful. Click whichever option applies to your situation and follow the on-screen instructions. The process usually takes 10 to 20 minutes depending on your internet speed. Here are a few quick tips if something isn't working. iPad not showing up in Finder or iTunes? Try a different USB cable or different port. Some third-party cables don't support data transfer. iTunes not installed or outdated? Download the latest version from apple.com or the Microsoft Store. We have linked them in the description of this video. iPad stuck in recovery mode and can't exit? Just hold the top button or the home button if older iPad until it restarts normally. Recovery mode not working at all? You may need to try DFU mode. I will link a video for that in the description of this video. And that's it. You now know how to put any iPad into recovery mode. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPad tips. Thanks for watching.